Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How To's. In this video, I will show you how to solve hang problem in Android. So there's actually multiple reasons why you're having the hang problem in Android. So one of the reasons or you're having this problem is you probably have your device opened for a very long time. So from there, we actually just want to restart our mobile device. So just press hold on your power button, and from here, you'll be able to see the reboot and power options there. So a good reset of your mobile device can help you a lot. So let's just reset your mobile device and check if that actually solves your issue. But if that doesn't solve your issue, then we have our second solution. So for our second solution, we want to make sure that we have the latest update on our mobile device. So here, just go to your settings. And from here, you should be able to see the updates just in the section for About Phone or System Apps Updater. So go to About Phone and you should be able to see the update button here. Or if you aren't able to see it in your home button or in the About section here, you should be able to see it in the System Apps Updater. So just install the latest updates on your mobile device and check if that solves the issue. But if that doesn't solve your issue, we have another solution for you. So for our third solution is we want to actually check if our memory is actually full. So if you have a full memory or you only have little space on your mobile device, then it would actually impact the speed of your phone, resulting in hang problems in Android. So go to the About Phone section here and go to Storage, and from here you should be able to see how your storage is being utilized on your mobile device. So if you see that you have a lot of applications here, for example, there's a high usage on apps and data, then you want to actually delete applications that you aren't using. So if you're utilizing a lot for video and images, then you want to actually reduce or delete images or videos that you have on your phone. So as you can see right now, most of my memory here is being utilized on apps and data. Then I might have to actually just delete applications that I have or I'm no longer using in my mobile device. So if you have multiple applications here, for you to delete your applications, just press and hold on the application that you want to delete, and from here you should be able to see the uninstall option there. So if that doesn't actually solves your issue, you've already checked your memory, you updated your mobile device, and you've already restarted your mobile device repeatedly, then the next thing that we want to do here is we want to actually factory reset our mobile device. So the first thing that you have to do here before proceeding on actually factory resetting your mobile device is you want to actually back up your data. So if you have important photos or videos, make sure to upload those into a cloud storage or transfer those to a secure device or other devices that you have in hand. So once you've transferred all the files, videos, or pictures that's really important to you, then we're ready to factory reset our device. So first thing is we want to go to our setting, and from here you want to go to the search settings option here. Now under the search settings here, you just want to type in reset, and from here you should be able to see factory reset option. So just click on it, and from here just click on erase all data, and you'll be able to factory reset your device. So do remember that you have to back up your data here, and important that you have the files that you need on a secure location or in a cloud storage, because we'll be cleaning our phone here, basically having it in the most basic form, cleaning all the data or videos or any files that we have on our phone here. So if that doesn't actually solve your issue, you're still having the hang problems in Android, then the last solution and the final solution that we could actually give you is you might have to contact the manufacturer itself. So you just need to find the manufacturer or the support hotline for the manufacturer of your phone. So for example, if you're using Samsung, then you'll have to contact Samsung. If you're using Xiaomi, make sure to contact Xiaomi support to get your concerns to them. And that's basically it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.